Well, looky here, another half-empty parking lot. Oh, I'm so excited to go up there. Not a super great sign when they give you the search and rescue number because of trail conditions. Also, I made a goal for myself that I was only going to do one take for everything going forward for the rest of my life ever. So when I'm filming, I just get one take. That's it. Whatever I'm filming, once. And it's really hard, but I'm holding myself accountable. This is the first hike that I'm doing it on, and even this is this is scary because I want to redo this so bad already. But it's okay. Just because there's too much sun in my face. Anyways, so yes, I'm gonna hold myself accountable. And also it makes my life easier when editing. Oh, also, you people that edit and you make wonderful cinematic treats for our eyes, thank you. I know how hard it is. This is so hard for me and so crazy. Filming isn't hard, but the editing part for me is hard because I don't have the patience and I just want to throw all the effects in on everything. And it's a bit overwhelming. Anyways, thanks for all of you out there that really know how to edit, because I know how hard it is. Okay, one take. That's it. Don't fix anything. The waterfalls are coming up. Okay, we did it. Halfway part. And welcome to the creepiest part of the entire hike. This is my least favorite part. It's it smells like I'm scared. We did it! Yes! I'm gonna take you to the suspension bridge and then down on the gondola because it's pretty beautiful, especially that today's sunny and we just had fresh snow. We're gonna go to Shannon Falls now. Okay, no peeking. No cheating, there's no peeking. I'm gonna get us here and then I'll show you. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. I need to do some fancy footwork here first. Okay, I couldn't continue on. I'm a little bit scared, a little bit tired, and I'm losing this sunlight. You probably won't even be able to hear this audio anyways, but there's little pools there we usually swim in. Okay, listen, I'm not trying to be your best friend here. However, I may have seen some humpbacks in the distance when I was coming down. So I'm gonna go to the boat. I'm gonna take the boat out for a sneaky little look. Don't get excited. No one get excited. No one get excited. Everyone just act cool, okay? Just play cool. Don't tell your friends yet. Just act cool. And I'm gonna go try and find them. Oh gosh, I wanna run so bad, but I don't wanna sprain my ankle, but I'm so excited. I think they're heading out of Squamish and going into going towards Horseshoe Bay. So, okay, come on, let's go. Oh my God, there they are. No way. No way. Oh, I can hear it from here. Now the nerves start coming a bit because they're gonna go right by me. I just don't know if it's gonna be from the behind the boat or in front. Cool. It looks like they're gonna go behind me, I think. I just have to make sure I don't get in their path. Just beautiful. Beautiful. Cool. You guys, you're sounding your sonar off the boat, right? You know I'm here? Oh, I don't want to get in their path, but I also... Okay, you guys know I'm here, right? Hi! Oh God, I've been... Okay, okay. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Don't move. Don't move. Or maybe do I move and get out of their way? Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Ah! Okay. Sorry. Didn't mean to freak out. Shit, that's close. Okay, that's really close. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I made it just in time for sunset. What a wonderful day. It was awesome. This was such an awesome day. I'm exhausted.